This is definitely not a speed limit.
Hello, Mr. Policeman. I promise you I'm doing the speed limit.
Over, thank you.
There was nothing left that he didn't crash into.
Czekaj, bogi.
These truck drivers really need to get their eyes checked.
SiriusXM.com/go to sign up online quickly.
I'm pretty sure that this guy's starting his day positively.
Today is going to be an amazing day. I'm super fucking bitch. I'm super grateful.
This guy doesn't hear the ambulance siren. What is going on here? This man is a real hero. He's even blaming this driver.
Wow, someone forgot to fucking look. The fuck you blaming me? You dumb fuck. What a fucking dumb fuck.
This guy got water splashed on his car and his wipers just disappeared.
闯红灯摄像，限速60。
He almost got it.
Up. Try again. Up. Try again. You almost got it. You're almost good. Try again. Almost got it. You're good. You got it.
Dude, I give up. I'm just gonna go park somewhere else.
This is driver's language. The bus driver signals with his blinkers to let him know if a car is coming from the opposite direction. Just a manual car. I can't believe he said, "That's all right."
Oh, good guess. Oh, no! Sorry. That's alright. It's no problem.
Why are they doing this?
Use the right turn. Shit! Okay, it's okay. Turn right. It's okay. We're okay. Stay in the car.
This guy just wanted to make a U-turn.
This flash support group called New South Wales Hong Kong. Name because she's scared. Being targeted by the Chinese government. Jennifer says Hong Kong, as she knew it growing up, is done.
Thanks God this guy didn't overreact.
Whoa! What the fuck is going on? Slow the fuck down, man! This is why I can't fucking sleep at night!
Fucking hell! Oh, fuck!
This is why you never confuse a beginner driver. This truck driver is trying not to push another car into his lane, but at what cost? This cop has something personal with this guy.
What is going on?
They're giving each other the finger and shit.
Oh!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What the heck?
Road rage is happening. Oh my god, I'm filming it.
Goodness gracious.
Oh! These cunts. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, Mum.
What an idiot.
Drive away from them.
Well,
away.
Just video the both of them. Have a look at this person here. What is wrong?